Add some ooh la la to your room with this Fleur de Lis wall stencil project from Designer Stencils. Once your base color is dry, spray one side of your stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Position your stencil and add some frog tape, painter's tape to help secure it in place. Also add a piece of tape under each registration mark. After soaking your high-density foam roller, remove excess paint using a stack of paper towels. Roll the paint through the stencil using numerous light coats. Once finished, carefully peel away the stencil and reposition by aligning with the 2 registration marks from the previous stenciled area. For the corners, fold the stencil where the 2 sides of the wall meet. Do the same where the wall meets the floor with some cardboard for protection. Use the stencil and a stencil brush to fix any imperfections. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.